Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable the flash notification in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to display. Okay, click display. And okay guys, here in display, okay, you can see below the flash notification. Okay, click flash notification. And okay guys, here in flash notification, okay, there are two flash notification you can enable. Okay guys, the number one is for incoming calls and plus for receive message. Okay guys, you can enable by turn on the switch button. And okay guys, this plus notification is enabled. And okay guys, you can disable this by turn off the switch button. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.